Hey guys, this harness is similar to another that I've shared in here, but it's not the same. So I'm going to go over this one. I want to try to get one of every harness that I do up on Instagram and all the social networks to get the word out there and all that good stuff. These two are going out to two individual customers. They're both built the same way. These were sold on eBay yesterday, I believe. So I'm going to go over what they are with you. These are 0206 harnesses made for a tank mount, like a JDS setup, or any kind of bracket you would use to mount your CDI right behind your gas tank. The front is just like any other typical harness. You have your left and your right headlights, your coil right here, your light switch, of course, your front brake switch to activate your brake light when you pull your front lever. Again, everything is OEM connectors for plug and play. And then right behind the tank right here, you're going to have they chose to have their key located there. They bought the bracket that's got the CDI and their key. Some don't have a key. I can build the key up here, whatever you like. This one here's got everything here. So you have your key, your CDI, your voltage regulator, lighting coil from your stator. And then you're going to have a ground here that'll go to a tank mount bolt or any other bolt you can reach. And the smaller wire here is going to be for the rear brake switch to activate the brake light when you hit the pedal brake on the right side. And in the back, you've got your tail, brake, and your ground wire back there. You don't have the stator in here because your stator is located right below this, so it's going to come up and plug directly into your CDI. So there's no stator connector in this harness. You don't need it. But anyway, I wanted to share it with you guys. That's what they look like. These run about $125 on my eBay, I believe, and you can get them direct through me for 110 bucks. So, hope you guys enjoyed the little video. Get a real quick little close-up here so you guys can check them out. I'm rushing because these babies have to go in the mail at 4 o'clock, and it's 3:30 right now, so I still need to get them packed up. Back here to the back. Front brake, rear brake switch. And one more look at the tail light hookup. Brake, tail, and your ground. All right, guys, y'all have a good one. God bless. Stay safe.